How many three-digit numbers can be formed using digits 0 to 9 if repetition is allowed? Now we want to make three-digit numbers, so therefore we will create three dashes. We have the available digits from 0 to 9. That means we have total 10 digits available, and repetition is allowed. There is no special restriction in this question, so therefore we start from the leftmost dash, that is this dash in this case. So over here, now it is specifically mentioned three-digit numbers. So therefore, we cannot have the digit 0 in this dash. But apart from 0, all the other digits, that is from 1 to 9, can be put over here. So therefore, we'll write down 9 over here. Now, repetition is allowed. So whatever digit is used here, we can use it over here as well. Along with that, 0 is also available. So that means 10 digits are available over here and in the units dash as well. So now we multiply this 9 into 10 into 10. So answer comes as 900. So answer will be option C.